Hello YouTube, this is Martin Day Trades and I'm doing another day trade NAS100 review. Today guys I made 2.7%. I'm going to go ahead and just verify that. Let's go on to the history. So yeah, today I made 2.87%, and I had a couple good trades, guys. You could see that there could have been a couple overall different type of scenarios to have made money. Now let me go ahead and just kind of go to the charts here. Okay, so guys, there's a couple of areas that a trader could have made money, right? So what I did was I caught this move right here. So here comes $9.55, and then this move up right here, and it failed. It never got higher than that. So I got in at for the long at 139, 12139. Where is that? Right there. And I exited the trade at 174. I didn't even get to see this trade play out to a little bit higher, guys. This was essentially a one-to-one risk to reward trade right here. So as you can tell, like, I I was trying to get out at 198 earlier, so like up here, like in this range, and I missed all that percentage right there because I decided to get out at 174. So you can see, guys, that this could have been a 1 to 2 risk to reward day if I would have just held it correctly. And I was risking 50 pips. And I should have held it until it at least got to 1 to 1 right here. Now the thing is it started to rocket and take off, and I was like, oh shit, like this isn't gonna be a good trade. So I think I was risking like 25 pips. 174. So this could have been a essentially 1 to 1 risk to reward day, guys. And I kicked rocks. And then I tried buying again at 153. And I exited out at 185. Right there. So then I took this trade and I exited right there. I was probably risking 50 pips. Okay, so I ended up taking this move and this move right here. Small trades, guys. But the thing is I was doing a risky day. The moment to have bought was at this 200 big figure level for the expansion down. If you squeeze it together, you know, there was this move that played out going short 200. Let's say someone wanted a 50 pip stop loss, like it was nowhere near a thing. You could have had like a 35 pip stop loss. And then the move down. 200 big figure level. Never tapped it, guys. So let's say around right here in that range, 1250 we got out. Let's just say we didn't get out the premium zone. Okay, so this is a 1 to 4 risk to reward setup. Let's make that a 1 to 4.5. Right there. And let's say that there was 50 points in fact indeed risk. This is now a 1 to 3 risk to reward, guys, which isn't a bad trade. And then there's this move that happened, which was the long at close to over here. We'll say that someone got in right there, 50 pips. For the long to go test the my original target when I was getting him for this long was the previous day's Asian session high, which is right, you can see that right there, and we'll bring that up. Wow, that was a good risk to reward, guys. This is a 1 to 5.6 risk to reward for this move right here. 50 pips. This is really small drawdown. Now, if you got in and had a 25 pip stop loss, this is now a 1 to 10, almost 1 to 11 risk to reward, guys. Let's bring that up just slightly, just to make it 1 to 11. $300 big figure level was where we exited. Wow, guys, this was an amazing move right here. There's two amazing moves that could have played out. I didn't, guys, catch either of the chunky moves of the day. And I caught these two little pumps up right here. Very small moves compared to the overall bigger move that happened. But I just want to let you guys know that there is money to be made. There's these swings, there's these swings. This right here is a swing. 64 pips. You could have taken it out at 1%. You know, like, this is a very risky day. People were getting in. I was sort of accumulating orders down here and then the long. So I just wanted to go over that day trade with you guys. I am up. I'm sorry, guys, for yawning. I shouldn't be yawning like that for y'all, but let's go ahead and let's do the overall percentage for the week. So I'm up. I'm up 4.9% for the week. So there's a couple of trades that I did overtrade on. And some trades I didn't scale out properly. Could easily be well within the 5 to 6% range this week, guys. But that's either. Oh, and then there was this one trade that I took right here. I got in for a sell trade, guys, at 12,190. Right there. This could have easily been a 1 to 2.5% day right here. And I missed that move. Anywhere within that range you could have exited, like right there. We'll say the last time. And we exited the trade like right in this range. This is a 1 to 2.5 risk reward, guys. Oh, actually, no, that's 50 pip stop loss. This is a 1 to 3 risk reward, guys. I should have been able to take this easy and had an extra 3% on this trade, but that's neither here nor there. So with that being said, guys, you guys can see where these targets were, where the entries were. There's big figure levels. Look how it rejected this 200. Look how it rejected this whole number. Look how it gravitated to this big figure whole level number right here of 300, which is this this area right here, right at the Asian session high. Essentially this TP3 right here. So with that being said, guys, okay. So if you guys found value in this really quick day trade NAS100 review, you can see where I got in, timing and price, timing and time of day and patience. Like, you gotta have that awareness to know that things gravitate towards the big figure levels, patience, just understanding that, hey, I want to stick to this side of the trade. I know that I'm risking, excuse me for yawning. You know that I'm risking 40 pips for X, 30 pips for X. So then you can adjust the lot size to account for that. So like, comment, subscribe, guys. I'll be in tomorrow for another day trade NAS100 review. I was gonna do a trader mindset video today, guys. A little sneak peek what it's gonna be about. I'll go over here real quick, and it's gonna be a trader mindset, overcoming obstacles, and how I became a consistently profitable trader long term. Meaning I'm not blowing accounts anymore. How and why? Because I'm not over leveraging and I'm not over trading, which means what? That I'm saving profits. I'm saving my profits that I have on good trades. So it's just learning the setups, learning about ourselves, learning about myself, about not over trading, or oh, I'm gonna pay back the market by going all in on this trade that I'm not even sure is a really good trade setup, and then boom, margin call. Your whole home is getting taken away because you took a loan out at it on this one trade, right? Like, how greedy does that sound, right? So let's go back to this other one. Um, Day trade NAS 100 reviews. The world is yours, guys. And with that being said, over and out.